students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 10th standard. That is, my topic is agriculture cash crop, jute. My previous video I have discussed about cotton. Cotton is also one of the fiber crop. Now I will discuss about jute. Jute is also a fiber crop after cotton. It is the second important fiber crop, and jute is known for its strength and it not get rotten even after being continuously soaked with water. Because of its cheapness, softness, strength and length, luster, it has a great demand. So it is brown in color, but it can be dyed in any time. India is the second largest producer of jute, just after Bangladesh, and it is known as the golden fiber. Why? Because of its versatile nature, of its color, and its products earn a lot of foreign exchange. So that is also called, it is also called a brown paper of wholesale trade. Why? Because that bales and it is used for the actually why it is brown paper of wholesale trade it is called because it is used for the packing purpose. That's why. And also it is also used for many other commodities also, such as we can say that is the bales of cotton, wool, rice, wheat, sugar, pulses, cement in sacks. In that sacks it is used as a bag. So the jute plant grown at a height of 2 to 4 meters high. Its fiber is the inner bark, soft, strong, and can be obtained from the stem into yarn to good length. Next we will come that the types of jute. There are two types of jutes are there. One is white jute, another one toss jute. White jute is hardy, highly adapted and grows well on the lowlands, both on the lowlands and uplands. And toss jute is mainly grown in the areas of the upland, and it cannot withstand the flood. Next, come to the climatic condition. Climatic condition, first we will see what is the temperature. Jute is a hot and humid type of climate is needed for that jute cultivation. It needs high temperature, that is 4 degrees centigrade to 35 degrees centigrade. Rainfall, the jute plant needs heavy rainfall to 170 centimeter to 200 centimeter and well distributed during the growing period. Jute needs high relative humidity of 80% of to 90%. Prolonged drought is very injurious for this jute cultivation. After that, next is come to the soil. Jute grows well in the light, sandy and clay loams. It grows well in the floodplains and river deltas, which is rich in alluvial soil, such as these river deltas, that the Ganga Brahmaputra river delta, it growing a maximum amount. And this crop is soil exhausting, and it very bad that replenished that is why it grows based in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta, and where soil gets replenished everywhere, because perennial rivers are there, continuous supply of water. That's why that is very good for jute cultivation. Then next is come to the methods of cultivation. Sowing. So sowing is done between the month of the March to June, and sowing of the seed is done by the drilling or broadcasting method. Next, harvesting. The jute plant is ready for the harvesting as soon as the flowering starts. The crop is harvested between July to September. After that, next come to the processing. After harvesting, the plants are tied into bundles and submerged into water for 2 to 3 weeks for rating. Now let's see what is rating. Rating is a microbiological process which loosens the outer bark and facilitates removal of fiber from the stalk. And then after the rating, the bark, whatever is there, that is peeled off and from the plant, and the fiber is removed. In this way, we are doing that the processing of that jute plant. Next is coming types of jute. Types of jutes already I have told. How many types? Jute, white jute and toss jute. Next come that the uses of jute. It is used for the making clothes, and wrap bales of cotton, gunny bags, then that the roofs, strings, and then carpets, for making carpets, etc. After that, it is also used for making furnishing material, shopping bags, then that the decorative, for making decorative pieces, etc. So this is actually, this jute is very essential in our day-to-day life, because it is used as a eco-friendly material. Eco-friendly, we are now using that the plastic bags, but plastic is not eco-friendly. So instead of that, but in the competition, whatever we have seen, that the competition generally, it is that plastic is getting its place higher rank than the jute. So jute industry now is going downwards. But you have seen now that the coronavirus everywhere, that is also not eco-friendly. That's why we have to use, the coronavirus taught us that we have to use eco-friendly material. And that's why again I hope that again jute industry will develop. And next you see that the West Bengal, where is the maximum production? Maximum production is in West Bengal. West Bengal is the leading producer. Why? We will see now. First of all, that West Bengal has hot and humid climate, because that is Bay of Bengal is there. They are getting always that the hot and humid climate, which is suitable for the growth of the jute plant. And the delta region, Ganga, Brahmaputra, this region is rich in alluvial soils, because alluvial soil, you know that the perennial Ganga river is coming and bringing enough amount of alluvial soils. Then the land is flat and plenty fresh and soft water is available. And soft water for what purpose? Soft water for heating purpose. For cleaning and dyeing, it is very essential, it is needed. Most of the work is done by hand, so cheap labor and abundant labor is also needed. Which one we are getting enough in this West Bengal? Because West Bengal, you know that the population is huge population, and there is plenty of workers we can get. So due to these regions, that West Bengal is the leading producer of jute. Next come that the areas of production. So the main jute growing areas are Ganga, Brahmaputra, Delta. Ganga, Brahmaputra, this delta. This is Ganga, this is Brahmaputra, wherever it is found in this delta. Not this completely, this area. That is West Bengal. And also it is found in Bihar. See, where is the Bihar? In this part, here this part is Bihar, you have seen. And also Assam, this Assam, and Jharkhand also, some areas that is producing other jute producing states are these. They are mainly here. So areas of production maximum, but if it will come that where the maximum production, linen production, remember that is only West Bengal. I have completed my jute cultivation, this chapter up to here. Hope that it will be helpful for you students. Read this chapter and also see this video. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.